see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Mama, careful! Dito tayo yun. Okay. No, you don't. Okay, wait. Thanks, What you guys say to Kuya? What's that, Holly? Moshi. Tawag niya Moshi.
I don't have it.
Have the wings now. Okay, wait. Careful, Holly. Good afternoon, guys. Dito na kami sa Allendale kasi si Jan, hinahanap namin yung kanyang clinic para sa kanyang doctor's appointment. Kasi may appointment siya ngayong Friday. So, yung mga bata nag-skip ng school kasi yung appointment ni Jan is 1:40. So, malayo ang Adelaide sa bahay. Kaya maaga kami umalis. Mga 7:30 kami umalis. Ngayon is 1:07. Ang appointment ni Jan is
back up there.
1:40. Sa Sunday, magkita-kita kami ng mga Inday. And hindi kami kila Race or kay Lai mag-stay this time. Kasi may mga ganap din. Kanya-kanyang ganap. Kami bibisitahin namin yung kapatid ni Jan. Kasi kararating lang din nila nung 3 weeks ago from Philippines, and then nag-birthday yung anak niya, yung Blue Eyes, si Riley, nag-birthday, hindi kayo nakapunta, so magka-catch up kami. So doon kayo titira sa kanila this weekend. So yun, guys. And then kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa bike kasi sobrang pangit ng weather. Makita nyo naman yung kasi nag-vlog akong konti, tapos kumain kami doon sa paborito kong chicken. So yun, and then natulog yung mga bata, and si Holly nakatulog ulit. Ay, tulog ulit siguro si Holly. Holly, where are you? Is Holly asleep? Yeah. Nahanap na namin yung clinic ni Jan. Yung pupunta na clinic ni Jan para doon niya sa tuhod niya. So halos every month may check-up si Jan para lang i-check yung niya. Blood test, lahat. Kasi hindi nga alam ko kung bakit nagsuswell ang kanyang tuhod. Pero ngayon okay kasi merong medicine na tinitake si Jan. I mean, ini-inject sa tiyan niya. So ngayon magba-blood test ulit. So update. Very tight, honey. Tingnan niyo yung I cannot open my door, hon.
No. We're coming in.
No, we're not. We're just gonna stay here. Si Jan lang ang pupunta dun. Hintayin namin siya. Zach, that's mine. Tingnan mo. Okay, see Jan, good luck.
No, I'm not going yet.
Not yet. What time? Oh, you have 15 minutes. Dinugay ko yung yung buko. Hindi ko gusto yung yung bangs. Kaya iniipitan ko, linalagyan ko siya ng ano dito, oh. Kasi pag ang buhok ko, hindi ko yan blower or ini-straight. Ano siya? Ganyan ang itsura niya, oh. Pinachop-chop ko siya. Tapos meron akong, ayun, oh. Meron akong pa-side na bangs. Ayun, oh. So, kanina, nakaganon siya, nakatali lang siya. Oy, no, si Jan nandito pa rin kasi hindi pa time para pumunta sa clinic. So, dito lang kami sa car. Dito maganda na yung panahon. Oh. Kanina, grabe, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Tapos, ang dilim-dilim ng daanan. Right, Sak?
Yeah.
Say hi!
Hi.
Say hi, Baba.
Hi.
Where are we going today? Which house? Which house? Huh? Which house we're going today?
Huntis.
Hunter
And Ryan.
and Rylan. Are you excited?
Yes.
Dito kami guys sa T3 Plaza kasi hanapan namin si Kuya ng damit. Kasi meron sila Kuya music concert sa Monday. Then kailangan ni Kuya magsuot ng damit, yung makulay na damit, yung parang bright, yun, bright color. Si Sak, meron na si Sak, ano lang, simple lang kay Sak, blue or white. Kay Kuya, bright dapat. So, hanapan namin si Kuya ditong damit. And then, bibili na rin ako ng regalo para kay Aliyah tsaka kay Rylin. You know where we're going, Han? No? Oh, here, Han! Hindi ko rin alam. Meyer. Big W. May Big W ba dito? Nakapunta na ako dito. Ah, Han, upstairs, Han. Big W. Nakapunta na, or Target. Sa taas yata yung Big W kasi nakapunta na ako dito kasama si Rayce. Target. Okay. Nahanap na namin yung Target. That one? That's two shirt, Kuya. Oh, diba? Bright. And get that t-shirt, Han. Jumper. Ah. Come on. You don't need that, Baba. Come on. Come here. It's not little. It's too big. Look. When you're bigger, okay? This one? No. Okay, wait first. Come on. Okay, yeah, later. Come on. Is that all right now? So, ito yung napili ni Kuya. May see? That's cute. Hinahanapan niya ng partner. That's good, Kuya. Can you try, Kuya? Yeah. Yeah, that's all right, Kuya. I think that's too long, honey. That's too long, I think. 7. Size 7. It's only size 8.
It's alright, you grow into it.
Alright. Get red. Mayroon ng blue dun eh. But that was t-shirt, honey.
We've got blue trackies in home.
And blue, that one? Is that alright?
I don't want this one. Yeah.
We've got blue, red.
This one is nice, Kuya. Kuya, this one.
Hi. Wild child. Oh, I should go this because my son's wild child.
You are wild? You're not a wild child.
No, big enough for it.
Yeah, that's right. That's the only one left.
Green.
I don't want it green and
They haven't got it.
Yeah, there's no size, Kuya.
That's need red, blue, flashing light, and green.
That's nice for golf, Kuya.
I already got some. No.
Ayaw niya.
Red, blue.
That one's that.
No, there's red, white or blue. That's only got blue. Red, blue and... What size is that? Is that 5?
Size 5.
They'll fit them.
No, that's for both.
Have you got a red jumper?
Yes, he has. Yes, he has.
This one's Zach, red. Zach, why not? You said red. Ayaw ni Zach.
This will be good for swimming.
Yeah.
What's that?
Here, what are you looking at?
Dad, come here. Come here. This is good for going swimming.
It's not swimming yet, Kuya. It's still cold.
Red. Fine.
Red. Maybe at Kmart?
Where's Big W?
Wala kami nahanap para kay Zach. Punta kami ng Big W. Si Kuya meron na. You like that color, Kuya? Come on, Baba. Come on. Ang ganda tong green, oh. I like this green, Han. What size?
6.
Size 6?
This is 7.
There's 7. Oh, no, that's 1, Kuya. Come on, come on. Dito tayo naman sa Kmart para kay Zach. Operation hanap tayo para kay Zach. Kailangan ni Zach red or blue. Parang walang blue akong nakikita. Where's the red? Red. This one, boys. Parang wala naman dito masyadong selection. Oh. Here, sa this is orange. Han. Na? Yeah, no, not that one. This is for swimming, Kuya. Hoy, Holly. Coming. You're coming? Hurry up. Oh, you're just looking. Not much here. Big W, let's go.
It's not in here.
It's not in here? Are you sure?
No.
Hindi ko rin sigurado kung may Big W dito. Alam ko kami sa perfume para bilang ko si Jenna. Thank you.
I can make purchase of habits sometimes.
Yeah, okay. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Aqua dito. Ayan. Nagustuhan niya naman yung amo. Hindi namin yung Big W. Ayan na. Nakabili na lang kami ng perfume ni Jan.
Sweetie!
Ito na, Baba. Come on. What? See anything? Makaka-copyright tayo dito sa pa-music ni Big W. Red, honey, oh.
But it's not.
You said jumper, hon. Looks like red orange.
It's black.
Kanina pa kami hanap dito sa Big W. Wala kami mahanap na red or gray or blue na
There's no
jumper or jumper.
Mama, look.
Oh no, that's not us. I'll put it back there. Where you got it from? Let's put it there, Baba. Pinahanap siyang case ng phone.
Mom.
Yeah. You used to have that one, Kuya.
I still have it.
Let me see.
Socks.
Pantulog naman yan, ha? That's pajama.
Is it?
Yeah. Sino yung napili ni Jan? Wala rin nga sa ano eh. Sabay sa Target, wala. May nakuha siya sa mayroon pala sa Target. Yung ano nakuha ni Sak sa Target is yung trackies. Come on, Baba. Come on, Hal. So, wala kaming nahanap na jumper ni Sak. So, siguro yung red niya na lang na nasabay yung susuotin niya. So, ngayon, dito tayo sa may mga toys para maghanap tayo ng regalo para kay Aliyah at saka kay Rylin. Eto, nabigyan ko na siya ng Christmas na ganitong regalo.
The ladies already got that.
Yeah, I know, Kuya. I'm just saying. What do you think we can get for Aliyah?
Does she like Peppa Pig?
I think she already have one. Holly? Where's Holly? She still remember that, Han? Naalala niya pa kasi nung pagbukas ni Jan ng ganito, naputol ni Jan yung cord. So sinasabi ni Holly, hindi niya pa daw finifix. Wala akong mahanap. Dito tayo sa kabila.
This is Barbie.
Huh?
Barbie.
Yeah, that's Barbie. Wait, Baba. It's not for Bronca. For Aliyah, Baba. Wala pa akong mahanap. Ay, ang cute. Ay, ang cute nito. Ito na lang siguro. Wala akong mahanap na iba kasi feeling ko yung iba meron na siyang mga ganyan. Tsaka Barbie. So, ito. Ito lang pets. Ang cute oh. Ito na lang.
I'm getting this.
What's that one?
Diary of an ocean-friendly kid.
For your reading.
I
Okay.
got the double down one.
Yes, okay.
This is the
Ito kami ngayon sa Boost kasi si Holly nauuhaw. Si Jan kumuha ng banana bread. Oh. And ayan, nakapamili na kami ng pangregalo. Okay, let's go. Come on, Baba. Uhaw na uhaw siya, oh. Hurry up. Hold it properly, Baba. Kuya? No, mango. I told you, that one's better. Try, Holly. Kasi yung kinuha ni Sak, banana lang talaga. Doesn't taste good. It's good for your sack. Okay, let's go. Hinahanap ko yung nadaanan namin kanina na parang Japanese store, yung parang Daiso. Dito yun malapit sa palabas. Kung saan kayo pumasok kanina. Kasi kukuha ko ng roasted na yung green peas. Kung naalala nyo, masarap yun. Hanapin ko muna. Yung mag-aama ko. Andito na ako, guys. Ayan, meron silang mga fresh na vegetables. Pero ang gusto kong kunin is yung green peas. Ayan, marami silang mga sariwang vegetables. Kuya, tell Daddy I'm just gonna go here, okay? Ayan na sila. Nahanap din dyan yung paborito niyang mga lollies dito, yung mango. Yan ang gusto niya dito. Ayan. Nauna pa siya sa akin. Hinahanap ko pa yung si Aling maliit, oh. Good job, Baba. Thank you. Siya lang talaga lahat naglagay dun, oh. Good job. There's more, Baba. Thank you, Holly. And the lollies. Papunta na kami sa bahay ni Talana sa kapatid ni Jan and si Kuya. Ayan. Binabasa niya na yung nabili niyang book. And si Sa.
we're nearly there.
Yes.
Quick.
Ang bilisan, di ba? Excited na
That
sila
was
makita yung pinsan
quick.
nila. Yeah, dito na kami sa bahay ni Tita Talana. Excited si Holly.
That bag's in so I can get changed.
Okay, wait, Baba.
Take it off.
You're really excited to see Auntie Talana. And who else? Rylan. Okay, let's go. Hi, Blue Eyes. Hi, Baba. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Happy birthday. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, people. What? Baba, happy birthday to you. Look. Wow. Come on, Baba. Play. Looking at you, huh? And this? How was your party?
Exhausting.
Ano mo sila? Akala mo, ang tagal nila hindi nagkita, oh. Ah, you're talking about the foodie last night? Congratulations, you two. You won. Tingnan, para sila naka-West Eagle jumper.
I know, he dressed up last night.
That's for Rylan. Play with Rylan. Baba, Rylan, look at Rylan. Oh, Baba, where's your eyes? I'm here, Baba. Come on. Nakapaglakad na siya. Hoy, oy, oy, Yuto. Oy, oy, oy. Come on, Baba. Rylan, come on. Come on, walk. You like my gift, hon? Ayan na yung ano. Binigay ko kaninang pabango sa kanya.
Huh?
Kanina naglalaro sila ng puti. Ayun, nandun yung puti. Hindi na namin kinuha kasi ang iingay nila and napaka-rough nila maglaro. Ayan si Sak, tinatry niyang kunin. Tingnan niyo. Yung isa. Sak, don't you dare. Ito talaga. Ayan, kinuha niya na.
Pull that away.
Isa rin to eh. Dalawa, oh. Ganyan sila kagulo dito, oh. Ala, diba? Kawawa. Natatakot ako kasi baka matamaan si Baba. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Si Holly, ayan, oh. Gustong linisan niya dyan yung ano. Yung heater. Reversible aircon din. What are you doing, ha? You might wreck it, Han. Ayan, nililinis niya. Ayan na, natanggal na ni John yung ano, oh. Lilinisan niya yan, oh. Oh, no, that's not for you, Baba. That's for Aliyah. Ayan, binuksan ko na yung ano, yung hopya ba? Yung hopya sa atin. Ito yung, ano nga to? Sweet red bean cake. Holly, do you like it? Like it? It's so yummy. Pakainin natin si Blue Eyes. Come on. Bite, 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 bite. Gusto niya hawakan. Come here. Here. Here, Baba, oh. Ayaw niya. Hi. Hi, Baba. See, Alana? Pinatry ko to kay Salana. Ito yung ano, masarap to guys. Itong crispy ano, fish skin na may salted egg. Sobrang spicy, hindi niya nakaya. Si Holly nakakaya niya. How are you, Trey? Ang ang gulo, diba? Wait, Baba. Naubos na namin ni Holly, oh. Wala na siyang lamam. Meron pa yung mga... Oh, wait, Baba. Ay, tingnan nyo na, oh. Hindi siya naanghangan. Yung tita niya, sobrang anghanghan niya yun. Nag-inom na siya ng gatas. Anong dinner namin? Nag-take away kami ng dinner. What's this? What's in here? Let's see. What's NP, Han? Ang daming chips na may gravy. Baba, careful! Tingnan mo.
Calm down, White. Just turn on.
What's this? Veggies and schnitzel, chicken schnitzel. Wait, Baba. Pasta. Pot salad. What's HB? Ayan, oh. Ang dami naman. Wait.
When you put him down, you got to make sure he's got his mouth.
Ang dami.
Up he goes.
Chicken. Eto chicken schnitzel. Ayan, beef schnitzel. And then what we have here? This is burger. And salad. Ayan si Sako. Ang ingay, diba? Manunod kami ng footy. Baba! Akin pala to, guys. Ito yung order ko na beef schnitzel. Ang dami niya, oh. Si Jan Burger. Tapos yung sa mga bata, ayun, yung dalawang chicken doon. Ayan.
Okay, hey.
Ang dami. Ang dami pang tira, oh.
Make another one.
Nalagyan ko na sila. Ayan si Hunter. You want some veggies? You have to eat veggies to make you strong and healthy. Right, Holly? Are you eating veggies? Good girl. Ito kay Jan Burger. May bacon, eggs, and marami pang iba. Ayan, oh. Steak. Is this a steak?
No, hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night. Good night, guys. Bukas i-room tour ko kayo dito sa tinitira namin ngayon. Bye!